Y'all ready? It's time.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody just calm down.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, my name is Stratty and I show you step by step how to install car parts on cars that I own. And today we are going to be installing two really cool mods to my 2024 Subaru Impreza RS. Now, starting with our first mod, this bad boy right here. Yeah, we got a carbon fiber steering wheel for my Impreza.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
I am super excited to get this slapped on the car. It's carbon fiber weave. As you can see, we have the perforated leather for our gripping, and it has some nice red stitching. The quality looks fairly good for the price that I paid for this steering wheel. I picked the steering wheel up from a company called Icon Motorsports. I don't know too much about the company, but from what I'm seeing here, quality seems to be pretty decent. So that's number one. Number two is this right here.
Know what it is?
Bubble juice, sir.
What we have here is the Ultra Suede VB WRX interior panels. Yes, they are compatible with our 2024 Impreza. That's why I love Subarus. They're like Legos. You can just take stuff from other vehicles and just put them together and make your own little Frankenstein. It's amazing. I love it. Installation of these two products should not take us very long. They're fairly easy, fairly straightforward to do. So with all that said, let's go ahead and start with this carbon fiber steering wheel. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to disconnect the battery. Because we are going to be working around the steering wheel, we are going to be removing the actual airbag itself. We do not want that deploying while we're working inside. So here we're at the steering wheel. I'll try and bring you guys in close. There are three little holes that are back behind the steering wheel. They are kind of like cotter pins. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead and you're going to find these holes, and you're going to go ahead and find the little pin that's holding the airbag in place. And what you're going to do is you're going to push. And when you're pushing on the little pin, it'll just pop out like that. I don't know if you saw that. Now, after you've popped all your tabs, you can just go ahead and pull off the little horn right here. Now, I'll bring you guys in close. We do have two clips that we're going to be removing, the orange one, the black one, as well as looks like a ground. We're going to be pulling those three out, and then we can go ahead and completely take off the airbag. Now it's just time to remove the center lock nut, which is a 17mm nut. Now let's go ahead and take this over to the table and start transferring all of our guts to our new steering wheel. So we're going to start by removing these paddle shifters. As you see, there's just two screws. So with those four screws removed, we're gonna flip it over. We have one screw right here that we're gonna remove, and that'll take out this plastic clip right here. And that exposes another screw that we're gonna remove that holds in the rest of the back plastic. Now there is some wiring still within here, obviously, right? We don't have to worry about that. We can just work around that. We're gonna remove some more screws right here, and that should completely disconnect the steering wheel itself. Now it's just being held in by these two push clips right here. So if you want to just take a screwdriver, kind of push them out. Those three holes that we were pushing to remove the airbag are these clips right here that I was telling you, these little cotter pins. We're actually going to be removing these pins and installing them on our new steering wheel. That way our airbag is secure. And there we have it, folks. And now it's just a matter of reinstalling it back into our car. And there we have it, guys. That is the installation complete. We're gonna go ahead and reconnect the battery, just make sure the horn still works and everything. Double check and triple check your work. But that is the installation complete of an aftermarket steering wheel for your 2024 Subaru Impreza. So with our steering wheel done, now we're gonna move on to our instrument panels. This is gonna be fairly straightforward. All we need is a plastic removal tool. We're gonna start right here at the top corner right here. We're gonna work our tool in this top corner, and we're gonna start prying out this plastic siding right here. This whole piece is gonna come straight off. Now we're going to get a nice little tug right here. And then our duct comes straight out just like that. And as you can see, it's just held in by a couple screws. We're going to remove those. And now it's just a matter of pulling off our old panel and just sticking it onto our new one. Now for the passenger side, it's the exact same process. Same thing, we're going to move the 4 screws and transfer them to our new panel. And there we have it, guys. 2 subtle mods that completely changed the interior of my Impreza. I absolutely love how elegant the suede looks. It just looks a lot more premium with the carbon fiber steering wheel. It looks like this is how the RS should have came. The only issue that came up was the actual steering wheel itself. This steering wheel actually came damaged. The carbon fiber has a huge crack in it, so I'm not gonna fault the company for that. That just kind of probably happened during shipping. I'll get that squared away. I just wanted to go ahead and install it and show you guys step by step how to install this. I was so excited to get this installed. I didn't want to wait for a whole new steering wheel to show up and then film this whole video again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Everything that I installed today will be linked in the description down below for you guys to buy and check them out for yourself if you want to install them on your own Impreza. But with all that said, if you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next Subaru video. Peace.